Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix error code 0xfffffffe. The game has crashed in Call of Duty or Black Ops 7 on PC Gamepass. First, open Windows Settings, then go to Apps and click on Installed Apps. Now find the Call of Duty game in the list. Click on the three dots next to the game and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and first click on Terminate to close the game completely. Next, click on Repair and wait for the process to finish. Once the repair is done, launch the game again and check if the issue is fixed. If the problem continues, go back to the same page and click on Reset. After the reset is complete, launch the game again. This should fix error code 0xfffffffe on PC. Please like the video and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.